What's that sound? Each day, when the alarm clock sounds, I spring from my snuggly bed. My friend Marie likes to sleep more with a pillow over her head. On our way to school, Dad stops the car when we hear a siren sound. A fire truck then passes us, its safety all around. When we hear the lunch bell ring, we all line up just so. And when our teacher rings the bell, it means it's time to go. The sounds we hear throughout the day are important to us all. They tell us things we need to know. Just listen for the call.